Dua and Taha English Learning Podcast.
Hello friends, and welcome to Dua and Taha English Learning Podcast. I am Taha, and I am so thrilled to be here with you right now today.
Hi everyone, I am Dua, and I am so excited for today's episode. Get ready, because today we have the most exciting topic we have ever talked about. We are going to discover amazing and surprising facts about animals. I promise this episode will make your mouth fall wide open.
Do you love animals? I absolutely love them, and I think they are some of the most wonderful things on our planet. But did you know that animals have some very strange and surprising secrets?
Today, Taha and I are going to share the most amazing ones with you.
Dua, let us start with one of my absolute favorite animals in the whole world. I love elephants because they are so big and so gentle at the same time. But did you know that elephants are one of the smartest animals on Earth? They can recognize themselves when they look in a mirror. Only a very few animals in the world can actually do this amazing thing.
Wow! Elephants can recognize themselves in a mirror? That means they know what they look like, just like we do every morning. Elephants are also known to feel very strong emotions like happiness and sadness. When an elephant friend or family member dies, they visit the place to remember them. That is so beautiful, and it makes me feel very warm in my heart.
Yes, elephants have very big hearts, just like they have very big bodies. Here is another thing about elephants that I find so incredible, Dua. Elephants use their trunks to say hello to each other by touching and smelling. They also use their trunks to drink water, pick up food, and even hug. The trunk is like a hand, a nose, and a straw, all in one.
That is so cool. Imagine having a nose that could also pick up things and give hugs. Taha, let me share a fact that really surprised me when I first heard it. Did you know that polar bears do not actually have white fur at all? Their fur is completely colorless and hollow, and it just looks white in the light.
Wait, polar bear fur is not really white? That is one of the most surprising things I have ever heard about any animal. So when we look at a polar bear and think it is white, our eyes are playing a trick on us. And what color is their skin under all that fur? I have a feeling the answer is going to surprise everyone listening right now.
Yes, the answer is very surprising indeed, Taha. Under all that fur, a polar bear's skin is actually completely black. The black skin helps the polar bear soak up the warmth from the sun. This keeps them nice and warm in the very cold Arctic weather. Nature is so clever and so full of wonderful little surprises everywhere.
That is truly amazing. Nature always has a very smart reason for everything it does. Dua, here is a fun question for you and for all our friends listening at home. How many bones do you think a giraffe has in its very long and tall neck? Take a guess before I tell you the answer.
I would guess maybe 50 or 100 bones in such a long neck. Is it a very big number, Taha? I am very curious, And I think all our friends at home are also guessing right now. Please tell us the answer quickly, because I cannot wait any longer.
The answer will really shock you, Dua. A giraffe has exactly 7 bones in its neck, which is the same number as a human. The only difference is that a giraffe's neck bones are much, much bigger than ours. So even though a giraffe's neck can be almost 2 meters tall, it has the same number of bones as you. Is that not the most surprising fact you have ever heard?
My mouth is literally wide open right now. Taha, a giraffe and a human both have 7 neck bones. That is unbelievable. I am going to tell everyone at school about this fact tomorrow morning. I also have a wonderful ocean animal fact to share with everyone right now. Did you know that dolphins actually have names for each other?
Dolphins have names? Like real names that they call each other just like we do with our friends? I always knew dolphins were very smart, but this is on a whole new level. Please tell me everything about this because it is making me so happy inside. Dolphins are truly my favorite ocean animals in the whole wide world.
Yes, dolphins are incredibly smart and social creatures. Each dolphin makes a special and unique sound that is like its own name. And other dolphins learn that sound and use it to call their friend. It is just like how your friends call your name to get your attention at school. Dolphins even remember the names of friends they have not seen for many years.
That is the sweetest thing I have ever heard about any animal. Dolphins are just like us because they also love their friends very much. Here is another ocean fact that I think will make everyone laugh and feel surprised. Did you know that a group of pandas is actually called an embarrassment? Yes, that is the real and official name for a group of pandas.
An embarrassment of pandas? That is the funniest animal group name I have ever heard in my whole life. I wonder why anyone decided to call them that? Because pandas are adorable and not embarrassing at all. Maybe they walk in a funny and clumsy way that made someone laugh a lot. Animals have the most wonderfully strange and silly names for their groups.
I agree. That name is so funny and strange. Dua, let us talk about one of the fastest animals on our beautiful planet now. Everyone knows that the cheetah is the fastest land animal in the world. A cheetah can run at about 112 kilometers per hour. That is faster than most cars drive on a regular road.
112 kilometers per hour. That is so incredibly fast that I cannot even imagine it properly in my head. If a cheetah was chasing me, I would have absolutely no chance of getting away. But here is an interesting thing about cheetahs that many people do not know. A cheetah cannot roar like a lion, but it can actually purr just like a house cat.
A cheetah purrs like a house cat? That is such a funny image because cheetahs are so big and powerful and fast. But at home, they just sit and purr like a little kitten on a sofa. It makes me love cheetahs even more, knowing that sweet little fact about them. Nature never stops amazing and surprising us every single day.
It really? Now, Taha, I want to talk about a very small but very powerful animal. Did you know that an ant can carry something 50 times heavier than its own body? If a human could do that, we could easily lift a small car above our heads. Ants are tiny little creatures, but they are unbelievably strong for their size.
Ants carrying 50 times their own weight is just incredible to think about. I have seen ants carrying big pieces of food before and always wondered how they do it. Now I know they are actually the strongest animals on Earth for their size. Ants also work together in teams to carry things that are too big for one ant alone. They are such a great example of teamwork for all of us to follow.
Yes, ants teach us such a wonderful lesson about working together as a team. No matter how small you are, you can always do great and amazing things. Taha, here is a question for you that I think will be very tricky to answer. Which animal do you think sleeps the most out of all the animals in the world? Take a guess, and then I will tell you if you are right.
The animal that sleeps the most in the world? I think maybe a bear, because bears sleep for the whole winter in their cave. Or maybe a cat, because my cat at home sleeps almost all day long. I am going to guess that it is either a bear or a cat. Dua, please tell me the answer, because I am very curious to find out.
You were close with the cat, because cats do sleep for many hours a day. But the winner is actually the koala, which sleeps for up to 22 hours every day. A koala sleeps almost the entire day and only wakes up to eat and move a little. This is because the leaves they eat take a very long time to digest properly. So sleeping all day is actually the koala's full-time job.
22 hours of sleep every day? I thought I loved sleeping, but the koala is the true champion of sleeping. I sometimes wish I could sleep like a koala on my school days. But honestly, it sounds quite boring to sleep that much every single day. I think I prefer being awake and discovering amazing animal facts like these.
Me too. Learning is so much more fun than sleeping all day. Taha, did you know that the blue whale is the largest animal that has ever lived on Earth? Not just today, but in all of history, including the time of the dinosaurs. The blue whale is even bigger than the biggest dinosaur that ever existed.
The blue whale is bigger than any dinosaur? That is absolutely the most mind-blowing fact I have heard all day, Dua. How long can a blue whale actually grow? I am imagining something unbelievably huge right now in my head. Please give us all the amazing details about this incredible giant creature.
A blue whale can grow up to 30 meters long, which is like 3 big school buses. And the most amazing fact is that the blue whale's tongue alone is as heavy as a whole elephant. Just the tongue is as heavy as an entire elephant. Can you believe that? The blue whale's heart is so big that a small child could actually crawl through it. Everything about the blue whale is just impossibly huge and wonderful.
I am completely speechless right now after hearing those facts. Dua? A tongue as heavy as an elephant and a heart big enough for a child to crawl through. Our planet is truly full of the most extraordinary and magical creatures everywhere. I think learning about animals is one of the best ways to love and appreciate our world. Every animal has a special and important role to play on our beautiful Earth.
That is such a beautiful and important message, Taha. We should always respect and protect animals because they are precious and wonderful. Whether they are tiny ants or giant blue whales, every animal matters so much. Learning about animals also helps us speak better English because we use so many new words. So today, we learned about nature and about English at the very same time.
That is the best kind of learning, when you get two things at once. Let us quickly remember all the amazing facts we learned together today. Elephants can recognize themselves in a mirror and feel deep emotions like sadness. Polar bears have black skin under their colorless fur that just looks white. And giraffes have the same number of neck bones as you and me.
And dolphins have real names for each other, just like we do. A group of pandas is called an embarrassment, which is the funniest name ever. Cheetahs are the fastest land animals, but they purr just like little house cats. Ants can carry 50 times their own weight, making them the strongest for their size. And koalas sleep for 22 hours every day, which is their full-time job.
And the blue whale is the biggest creature ever to live on this entire planet. Its tongue alone weighs as much as a full-grown elephant, which is just amazing. Friends, our world is so full of incredible and wonderful animals all around us. I hope today's facts made you feel excited and curious to learn even more. Go outside and look at the animals around you with fresh and curious eyes.
Yes, even the small animals near your home have amazing and surprising secrets. Now, friends, we have a very fun question for all of you today. Which animal fact surprised you the most in today's wonderful episode? Write your answer in the comments below because we truly love reading every single reply. We want to know which fact made your mouth fall open the widest.
And if you enjoyed learning about animals with us today, please do us a favor. Click the like button right now and share this episode with a friend who loves animals. Sharing our podcast helps more children learn English in a fun and exciting way. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel so you never ever miss a new episode. We bring you new and exciting topics every single week, just for you.
Thank you so much for spending your time with Taha and me today, dear friends. Remember that learning English can be as exciting as discovering a new animal fact. Every new word you learn is like finding a new and wonderful creature in the wild. Keep being curious, keep asking questions, and keep practicing your English every day. Goodbye for now, and we will see you very soon in our next episode.
Bye-bye, everyone, and thank you for being such wonderful listeners today. Keep exploring the amazing world around you and never stop being curious about it. The world is full of surprises, and learning English helps you discover all of them. We are so proud of every single one of you for being here with us. See you next time on our English Learning Podcast. Bye for now.